Hi guys, my name is Zack Snyder, and I'm one of the players that will be attending the July camp coming to Sarajevo, Bosnia. In January, I went to Sarajevo, where I trialed for a team called NK Bosna Visoko. In addition, one of the players that went with me has now signed a professional contract for NK Bosna Visoko. I not only loved my experience, but I also envy Pjanic as well as Edin Dzeko. I got a one-way flight for this camp, and I'm so excited to come. But this is my last chance at signing a professional contract, and I'm going to give it my all. And I just want to thank all my fans as well as the support that everybody has given me. I can't wait to see you guys there. I'll see you guys there in Sarajevo.